So now I just set my camera and I'm going back to my home because it's really heavy raining and my camera is, you can see my camera bag is really wet. And now I'm going back to my home and I will come here after 2-3 days and then I will see the photos and I hope I will get something. So, let's see. So today I'm back here in this forest and I'm really excited to check that game camera I set about 2 days ago. And today the weather is completely changed. It's really sunny day and I'm very early in these mountains today because I really want to see if that game camera got something. I hope. So that camera is still there. I just hope it got some good photos of that leopard or anything else. But before I get back to home, I did some changes. I moved that camera from up there to down there, really close to the ground, so it can get some good photos. Now let's check the camera. Now I just need to find some good place there I can sit and check this camera. So let's see. So now summer season is here, so weather is getting little hot, but it's really good to sit in the shade of a tree. And now let's check this camera and see if it got something. It has a little display inside it, so I can see directly misses. It only has 82 photos and I think most of them are mine. Just setting is this camera, but let's see. Okay, it has a one photo of a peacock. Okay, there is some peacocks in this photo. There's a lot of photos of peacocks. But I hope it got something else. It only able to get some about 50 photos of peacocks and nothing else. I think because I only see lots of peacock photos of peacocks. But now I have, because I'm using this camera for the first time in my life, so now I know this camera is working, but I have to place it somewhere else so it can find something else with wider area. So let's see. But it don't have any photos in the night. I don't know why. And now I have about 5 hours before it will get dark, so a lot of time to get some good photos of birds or anything else. And I'm also going to set this camera somewhere else with some different perspective with wider area. So let's see. Now I'm sitting here from a very long time and doing nothing, because sometimes I like sitting in the nature and just watching these animals and listening these little birds. But now the light is really good, and I'm going at the other side of the mountain where the forest is little dense, and I will try to find something new, something interesting, so I can photograph. So let's see. So now I'm almost here, and now I'm seeing a very rare thing, that is these little water bodies, because they are really hard. They are rarely seen in at this time of the year when summer supposed to be at its peak, but at this year this year there was heavy rainfall, so that's why there is these little water bodies here. But the water is not so clean, because the water this flow of water is very slow. So I'm going these trees that side, so maybe I could see something. So let's see. So now I'm here today where I want to sit, relax, and trying to photograph some birds. So now I'm going to use my camouflage suit. So maybe the birds will get comfortable with me, and they could sit these trees, just on these trees front of me. So now I'm ready to photograph birds, and now it's all about just waiting. Let's see. There was a bird just above me on this tree. I'm able to get a photo. You can see. here, but she is way above me, and it's really hard to photograph. But I managed to get a photo and a video. I just found a really good thing. I think that that little bird just sitting on the tree, but it is a little nest. That is a little nest of that bird. If you can see here, and now I'm going up there so I can clearly see. So let's I'm going that side little up there. From I can see that this little nest from very clearly. So let's see. And now from here I can see that little nest very clearly. So but it's empty. There is nothing inside it, and now I'm just waiting for that bird that she'll come again. Let's see. She's here. So now he's just making this little nest. There is a little branch from in between me and that nest. It's fine. And now that bird flew away. I think she'll come again. I can say it's here, but this little branch in between me and that tree, that bird, but it's really fine. So I think that bird she will come again, and I'm just going to sit here wait and trying to get some really good photograph. And she looks really comfortable with me in this camouflage suit, so it's not a problem. So I'm not disturbing her. And there's lots of mosquitoes here. You can see it's fine. I'm here and waiting for that bird from very long time, and she came about few times, 2 or 3 times, and I got some really good photos. And I'm also able to get some photos of another bird. Let me show you. Yeah, that one. I got a lot of photos of that bird also. I got a lot of photos of this bird, so it's really amazing. I I forgot I forgot the name of this bird, but really good. So now I think I need to go back because the sun is already set and I'm about 8,000 and I'm at 8,000 ISO. So I think it's not good to me sitting here because I'm very deep in the forest and it's time to go back. So now I have to go back little far away from this nest. So this bird, she will comfortable. So now I'm at safe distance from the tree. So I got some really good photos of this bird and also that woodpecker. So it's really good. And now it's getting dark, so I need to go back home. I had to pack my bag, and I'm also working on a new project of mine. So you will see that videos very soon. So now I'm going back to my home, and thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe because very soon there is a lot of things coming on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in another one very soon.